Tired of uncomfortable nights and messy bed sheets? Looking for something soft, stylish, and super affordable? Meet the Utopia Bedding Queen Sheet Set, the perfect blend of comfort, quality, and simplicity. Let's explore why this sheet set is loved by thousands and why it might just be the upgrade your bedroom needs. Product description. This 4-piece bedding set includes 1 deep pocket fitted sheet, 1 smooth flat sheet, and 2 matching pillowcases. It's designed for queen-size beds and crafted with premium brushed microfiber, giving it a luxuriously soft feel that's breathable and gentle on the skin. Whether it's a hot summer night or a cool winter evening, this fabric keeps you cozy without overheating. Features and benefits: wrinkle-resistant, always looks neat, even straight out of the dryer. Easy to clean, just toss it in the washing machine. It dries fast and holds color wash after wash. Durable and long-lasting. Despite the softness, it's surprisingly tough. Deep pockets. Fitted sheet hugs the mattress tightly, so no more slipping or bunching. Whether you're upgrading your master bedroom or setting up a guest room, this set adds a clean and modern touch, especially in this elegant gray color. Real Amazon reviews. Here's what actual customers are saying. Soft, cozy, and fits my bed perfectly. I was genuinely surprised at the quality. I've washed them over 10 times already. Still feels brand new. It's honestly better than some expensive sheets I've bought before. With over 100,000 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, this product has proven itself. Final thoughts. So, why spend more on expensive bedding when you can enjoy top-tier comfort for less? The Utopia Bedding Queen Sheet Set is perfect for students, families, couples, anyone who loves comfort without compromise. Great for daily use, housewarming gifts, or Airbnb setups. At under $30, this is one of the best bedding investments you'll ever make. Outro. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more home essentials, and check the link below to grab your own Utopia Bedding Sheet Set today. Sleep well, sleep in style, with Utopia Bedding, where dreams begin.